Attention all gamers! Hello, it is I, your Picotron boy. Just adjusting the camera. How is everybody doing? I decided I'm gonna stream today. Do let me know if the music is Edgar Wallace. Do let me know if the music is too loud, because I just can't tell. There's just so many volume levels that you need to keep track of. Also, no blue lights today because I am also running a fan next to me, my biggest fan. and maybe you can hear that, and if you can hear that, then you have to let me know. It's the rules. Because today is the hottest day of the year. Probably it's gonna be the hottest day of the year yet. Right now we're down to just 30 degrees. It was 35 degrees Celsius, and there's no ACs in German buildings generally. Also, I don't think I'm going to be running for too long today. I'm not sure. I think sounds fine. That's good. That's good. That's good to know. Very useful to know. So we haven't decided how to call this game yet. Oh man, but already I'm seeing this and I just want to play the game. Oh, so good. There's one thing I want to maybe fix. Otherwise, I'm fine. The thing I want to fix is this sprite. I don't like that. Oh, see, this is way better. Was a little bit too cold. The color choice there. Yeah. So today, what is on the menu? There's a bunch of names. Grab back randomization. We could do sound and music levels. Next pieces. You know what? Let's do next pieces and grab back randomization. That's something I definitely want to do. Pretty start screen is something gonna do. That's something I have to sit down and with sprite and design something nice. And also, the pretty start screen is something that it's kind of tied to the name of the game. We might do score. Let's see. But I do want to try do the sound. I haven't done sound in Picotron. It's good to collect some experience on that one. But let's start with something simple, shall we? So when we drop a piece, we're gonna do something like this. So when we start the game, there's a start game. We're gonna go. First, we're gonna do like a one piece, like the anime, like a one piece preview. So we're gonna have a variable called next piece, and then here, when we're dropping the piece, we're gonna say piece num equals a next piece, and then next piece is gonna be that's one piece. That's right. Then because later on we're gonna have. I am not watching One Piece. It's not for me. I have a friend who's watching a lot of One Piece, but he watches at a speed that I cannot. I'm watching one epic anime franchise, and that is Gundam, and I haven't finished it yet. I cannot maintain more than one big anime franchise. Just thinking, if you wanted to do the palette swapping like in NES Tetris, you could maybe make a new sprite sheet file to swap between, so it would update the map automatically, maybe. Yeah, I'm going to the UC. little bit chaotic. I'm following a rewatch podcast called. There's two really good ones, but the one I'm following. I ended up following was the Mobile Suit Breakdown podcast, and they're just going episode by episode and doing like really good like analysis on the episodes and giving you like lots of context, and that's really cool. And so I am currently at a really weak series from the UC. That is the Victory Gundam. It's not great. It looks fantastic. The story is just very chaotic. I'm a big fan of the 8th MS show. That was really great. The 8th MS team. And Gundam Unicorn was also really good, I think. And, I don't know, it's a bit chaotic, Gundam Unicorn, but it's also like a really good modern one. And I think maybe the music really won me over. I really like that composer. I'm watching a big almost anime franchise called Pico 8 Hero. I never heard of it. Yeah, Trigun. Yeah, maybe I need to watch Trigun or like Full Metal Alchemist. Maybe it would be nice. Currently, I am the one I just discovered yesterday, I caught up yesterday with not a big franchise, just like a really small series. I'm watching the Freerun show because I saw so many memes about Freerun. I was like, what is this show about? Turns out it's great. Who knew? There's a spider. Oh, wow. There's a spider. Well, I'm not gonna touch that one. Anyway, so now we have a next piece, right? And so now, when we draw stuff, so how are we going to do this? We could do like a map statement. That would be so smart. Pace. Peace. Can't we do a map statement there? We totally can. I just want to see when we drop a piece. Put piece. Yeah, I want to copy this stuff out because that's going to be a bit complicated. I mean, we could copy this stuff into this region of the map. That would be maybe it would be even simpler. But then you have to clear it later on. Let's do this like a map statement. Why not? So PI is not PI. I need to go next piece. So CPW equals next piece equals 643. Start X equals piece rotation is always going to be. What do we start the piece rotation? Do we start with 1 or 0? Rotation is 0. So like this, and PI is piece indexed. Oh yeah. Start Y. Yeah, that's good. Then we don't need this. We're just going to do a map. Let me look up how the map works. I always forget the numbers. Picotron map. Map editor map. Oh, by the way, there's map layers. Doesn't say anything. Oh, it's just the editor, obviously. It makes sense. Where's the API reference? There we go. Map. Let's make this smaller. Setting a current working map. It's not what I'm interested in. There we go. Map. Tile Y. Tile. Okay, this is good. I cannot copy this out. Oh, I thought I could copy this out. That would be horrible. Okay, so let's delete this. This is not interesting. this is the template, right? So this is where we're starting. We don't need the start X, right? We could also just go, let's keep it around. So this is where we're starting. SX and SY, screen position. Okay. I don't know where to put this. Let's go like, I don't know, it has to be like here, I guess. 23.1, right? 23.1, yeah. So like 23 times 16. And then 1, so 16, right? Something like this. Then tiles X and tiles Y, what's that? Is that the amount of tiles? I'm pretty sure that is. Wait, what is tile W? Why does it have a tile W and tile H? Yeah, okay, good. So this is the cropping, right? So this is gonna be CPW. And it's always gonna be 3. Because for the vertical piece, the only height that we already need is just for the long piece. But in the preview, we're never gonna show it vertical, it's always gonna be horizontal. Hey, Cefatino. How are you doing? What is P? Oh, that's layers. Yeah. Why there's a tile width and tile height? It's so weird. Okay, and we don't need that. And this is debug. Ah, there is a problem. There's P somewhere. What? Oh. 212. Here. 212. Here. Okay, put piece didn't work. I guess. Oh yeah. I think. Yeah, we need to do the next piece before we drop the piece. Yeah, it works. It just works. Sometimes it's nice when things just work. I already can tell it needs to be one tile further down. So like 32. Except when it's long piece. When a long piece, it's not good. Let's add 8. Yeah. Okay. Shift T. So we're gonna shift these around just to center them a little bit. It's a little bit. I'm being a little bit, particular, but I think it's worth it. So we're gonna go if next piece equals 6, then shift X equals -8. Shift E equals -16. Wait, how did you do that calculation? I knew somebody would ask about that. It's a program I have installed since years now called Enzo. Let me show you. Enzo. Like the Ferrari Enzo. Open Enzo? Or was it open Enzo? Was it humanized Enzo Launcher? Yeah, humanized Enzo Launcher. This one. I'll show you. We see this, yeah, we see this. This is what it's called. There's a GitHub apparently now, it's an open source thing now. You can go in GitHub here, Enzo Portable. It's a bit complicated, but what it does is basically it's you no longer have a caps lock. It turns off caps lock, which is the most useless key. You never actually use caps lock. The only moment where you actually encounter caps lock is when you accidentally press caps lock. And so what it does is it maps caps lock to when caps lock is pressed. While it's pressed, you can issue additional commands. You can like open apps and stuff like that. And one of the commands, and it also has an autocomplete, so you can just like type the first letters and it's fine. And one of the letters it has is like when you select something, 420 plus 69. When you select something that is this mathematical equation, you can do this, calculate, and then it will calculate that and paste it in. What do you mean I caps lock all the time? Yeah, but you can write long sentences just by pressing the shift with the pinky. I don't know. It doesn't seem. Also, if you really need caps lock, it actually has a caps lock command. So you can just type in caps lock and then it will also trigger caps lock. So yeah, just like activate that superfluous key to do something smart. And I think like this specific ability to be able to just do calculations on the fly is so good because you don't have to do any kind of like open a calculator app BS, you know, none of that nonsense. Okay, so this looks good. The green one needs to be further down. Which one's the green one? Oh, 0, 1, 2. So if next piece equals 2, then shift T equals -16. Like this. This is not good. I'm a bit confused. Wait, is it not 6? I thought the long piece was 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's the wrong one. It should be 7. Okay. Dang. So 0? 0? Let's see how that works. Okay, this is good. This is bad. This is the red one. This needs to be further up. Which one is the red one? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's number 4. Both of these just needs to be further up. This is good. This is bad. 6 is bad. This needs to be okay. We're gonna figure this later. Yeah. Ooh, let's try it again. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. Okay, this is bad. It needs to be one to the right, one up. Oh, I've got to change to this. Thanks. Also, how is it that in Poland we have an average day and you say in Germany it's the hottest day of the year? I don't know. I mean, climate, man. Weather. I've been in Poland recently, and it was kind of nice. It was 25 degrees all the time. That was really nice summerly weather. That's the kind of weather I'm looking for when I see weather. 1 0 wait 0 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, okay. So 5 6. Good. Oh, whoa. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's too far to the left. We're gonna deal with you later on. Yeah, this is good. This is centered now. Okay, so now we need to figure this one out. So how about -8? First, let's center it horizontally. Yeah, that seems centered horizontally. And then -8 maybe in this direction as well. Yes. Yes, that looks good. Yeah, man, that extreme high temperature warning was annoying, because I was like, every time there's a extreme weather warning, it's usually because there's a storm. I was like, yeah, storm. I love storms. And it's like, nah, extremely high temperature. No. Why would you do this to me? Me specifically. The main character. Oh, pressing up is just such a nice way to play Tetris. The hard drop is good. There we go. That's not a Tetris, but it's close. Ah, and that's still not a Tetris. Ah. Yes. Everyone else is more because they're mobile. Exactly, man. It's crazy. Yeah, I know. I don't understand the mobile stuff. Good. Why they're using? Okay, so what do we? So that was this part, but now we want to have the grab bag randomization. So we're gonna go function init bag. I'm gonna do it at the start game. Init bag. And so now the next piece is gonna be bag. Okay, we actually have. Okay, let's just call it bag. Bag equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's not a great bag. Don't worry. And then where is it? So how does that work? Yeah, okay. So when we drop a piece, we just take the next one that's in the bag. Yeah. So we maybe don't need to drop the piece anymore. It's going to be part of this here. So next piece is going to be bag square bracket 1. And then piece num equals back square brackets 1, but also del del I, yeah, del I bag 1, and then if hashtag bag equals 0, then and then init bag. Okay, so the first one is the blue piece, and yeah, then we get the blue piece, and then and then we get this blue piece. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so just the only thing we need to do now is need to randomize the bag. Key bag, temporary bag equals this, then add bag. Okay, how do we do this? There's going to be a while loop again. Lua until, how does that again? I always forget. Repeat until, there we go. Like this. Repeat until tbag hashtag tbag equals 0. There we go. And so now here we're gonna go up, didn't use tabs, local p equals rnd tbag del tbag p add bag p. Yeah. For in all tbag. I think if I do a for in all tbag and I remove from tbag, then I think I won't get enough loops. Because like I will, while I'm looping through an array, I'm also removing parts from the array, so yeah, you're right. So the problem is delete removes an item, but we also need to randomize the item. So I think it's better to first randomize the item and then remove it, right? Because otherwise, how do I remove a random item? I would have to like random and the length of the tbag or something. I don't know. I think that's better. Okay, good. And then let's see if this works. So the first piece is the blue piece. So red after blue, we had red after long piece. I'm gonna wait until we get a long piece. And yeah, this time around we have something else after long. Yeah, this seems good. This is a very simple randomization, but it seems a bit OP in terms that it really messes with the randomization. Like this is not random at all. This is just like very regular. But also, like it addresses both issues with the droughts and the floods. You're never gonna get a flood. You're never gonna get a drought. The worst that can happen is like two of the same pieces right after each other. That's the worst that can happen. And in terms of drought, it's like you're never gonna go more than like I don't know 12 pieces without. Hey, PJB. So yeah, I think that's good. I'm surprised. I'm surprised. It's funny that there's like these other games that use this way more complicated randomization system. This is just so easy. It is effective. I mean, it feels good to play this. You really feel like you're getting like a wide variety of pieces. All right, so do we have, by the way, do we have user data? Oh, that's user data. No, I mean cart data. Cart data. Oh no. Do we have an equivalent to cart data? Can we store stuff? We can create files, right? User data. No, that's not user data, something else. User data is generating like these objects. User data in Picotron can be thought of as a fixed size 1D or 2D array of a type data, yeah. So these are just objects. Yeah, you can make files, right? So that's how you would save a high score, you would save a file. Just make a pod, and then what? What do you do with a pod? A pod. Picotron object data is a string that encodes Lua values, tables, new data, blah, blah, blah. Pods form the basis of all the data, blah, 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 blah. Every file is a single pod on disk. Yeah, so files are pods. Okay. Pod returns nil. And what can I do with a pod? How can I save it? Plain text pod can be quite large. Okay, sure. Yeah, I think I need to do like a store there. Okay. So let's try that. I want to try see if I can, because this is actually new stuff. This is something I'm actually not familiar with. Oh, look! It's right there underneath. It says you can store a pod and get a pod. This is cool. This is cool stuff. This is good. This is good stuff. So like in init. Save. Something like this, right? So what happens if I try to get a file that doesn't exist? First of all, this is something that I'm interested in. Do I just get a nil? What will happen there? Let me. Oh, okay. There's just nothing. Probably just like empty. Please store files in app data. Don't destroy other Picotrons. How do I get the app data? How do I get to the? How do I? Oh, there it goes. Make dir. Aha. Good. Oh, it actually says right here. If the cartridge needs to store more than 1 or 2 files, a folder can be used. When a cartridge needs to persist data, settings, high score, etc., it can use store to write to app data. Perfect. This is what I need. And then you can even create full folders. So good. So like something like this, right? Update my game high scores. So let's call this Tetris. Should we call it Tetris? Ristis. Ristis is so stupid. I love it. Oh, pork chops. Tetris, Tetritron. Picotron, Tetris, Tetron. Ristis. Lady. TAS, but T4S? TAS? I don't quite understand TAS. Force? Trontris. Badminton, Tetromino, and Picotron. Tetritron. Tetrinitron. Tetrinitron. Tetronimo tennis. Tetrinitron. Let's add these. These are good names. Tetrinitron. Trontris. Tetris remade in Pico 8. No, you can't use Tetris. It's copyrighted. You get in. I will have people banging on my door. SWAT team coming in. The Tetris police will come in. I'm gonna. It's too bad that it's 3. The 3 part is. I mean, we could make it really stupid and call it Tetris with a 3 in there because it's just not Tetris. It's I like how stupid it is. Ristis. Ristis is also so good. Tetris. Tetris is also good. Man, I'm gonna call it. It's just a name. It's just a name. Tetris high scores, and then that's how we fetch, right? And it's not gonna be just a table. It's gonna be a single value. Is the thing. Oh, I kind of like that one. You can go full on. You can go full on lead speak. 737R15. That's not bad. That's not bad. Yeah, anyway, so let's see if we fetch this. By the way, the music has stopped. The music has stopped. Okay, so if we run this, oh, there's a problemo. Where is the problemo? Too much. Okay, we don't see anything. Let's not call it safe. Let's call it high score. Okay, and so now we are going to actually store something in there, and we're going to see if this works. But before we store, I want to see if just reading a file will actually create a file. Like if an attempt to read a file will just create an empty file, because sometimes it could be, right? So app data. Oh, interesting. All of the files that are created here created their own folders. Okay, so we have nothing. And now, can I just like store a number in there? 420. It totally worked! Oh my gosh! And there it is, Tetris high scores. It's so sick. And we can hack it. We can hack our save. That's actually not good. That you can hack your own save. Like if opens the door wide open for mean hacks. We're gonna have to encode the data somehow. Well, hello there. By the way, something I haven't checked. Can we have more than 32,000? Let's see. API reference, Picotron Lua. Comments, conditionals, loops, functions, tables, Picotron shorthand operator. Doesn't say. Doesn't say. Is it the same as in Pico 8? Let's just say my score plus equal 100. Oh my gosh, it actually goes higher now. We can have more than 32,000. This is sick. How many bits do the variables have? Picotron variable bits or number. Ah, there we go. Variables declared are fill pair. Oh no. Picotron wiki maybe. Doesn't say. Oh god, I have to look up in fandom. Can you believe this? Yeah, I'm looking for it. I looked for variable, but I haven't found anything. Maybe if you look like float. Ah. No, not really that what I'm looking for. Integer, unsigned. No. Fixed. No. Yeah. I'm looking at the manual, but oh, it does use floats. Okay. Oh, floats. Oh, that's good. So that's different from Pico 8. I wonder if there's like there's a compatibility issue. If there's like some certain things that Pico 8 does that Picotron can't do because it doesn't have the precision for some reason, because of its floats. Well, at least we know that we can store big numbers. That's good to know. How big of a number can we go? Like, can we go like 64 million? Well, like, not plus. I score equals 64 million. Can we do this? Is that possible? It's totally possible. Wow. All right. Never gonna doubt you again. All right, so we are fetching the high score. That's good. Oh, wow. It has stuff to approximate fixed point behavior. That's amazing. So I mean, the Picotron's page on Lexoloffle? There's a Picotron roadmap or Picotron FAQ. Maybe that's something that we're looking for. Yeah. Picotron uses floating point numbers and so can only approximate Pico 8's fixed point math behavior. Only approximate. And this user data stuff is so strong. We need to really get in more into user data. Okay, so we can save a score. We're not saving a score yet, but we can. Oh, by the way, let's turn the high score into num. No. Can we do something like this? I wonder if this works. And then I will just delete the pod. Oh, just deleting it doesn't work. Delete the file. It didn't work, so it's... I wonder if it's nil or something. Can I check if something's a number? Lua, check if a number. Can we have... Can we do something like this? Did I do an if? I didn't want to do an if. Oh, I don't want to compare. This didn't work. Is it too num? That also didn't work. What is high score? Type R. Oh, okay. Nil. Okay, yeah, good. If high score equals nil, then score equals 0 and boom. Okay, so grab back randomization is done. So let's do a sound of music. I want to have a this. I'm a bit. This scares me because I think the sound editor is the one that's the most different from the rest. Boom, shake, shake, shake the room. Oh man, that's a classic. Okay, so how? It's interesting that it has a play button. Oh, interesting. This selection looks different. Oh, these are just okay. Good. Oh. No, this is moving. Because you used to be able to click here. Oh, no. It's when you do the different thing. Like when you do a mod. Jesus Christ. Okay, and then let's just try. Let's just try. Exactly what I wanted. How can I? I cannot change the speed. I'm clicking on it. Is that it? Is the problem is that there's just you cannot change the speed any? Seriously? Using a scroll wheel doesn't. Oh wow! It's not clicking. It's holding and moving down, up and down. Oh, that's bad. And look how I cannot make this go away. Wait. Oh man, it's just so now polished compared to the Pico 8 editor. Ah, see, I cannot make it go away. It used to be I can just like. This sounds good. Let's make it a bit softer. Can we do some kind of effects? There's some kind of effect here. Oh man, but it's just so unpolished still. There's so much work has been done on this and it's still just like so... I'm not gonna complain too much, but oof. Yeah, look how it has like empty notes and I cannot, like how do I delete the notes? Can I just delete it? Oh yeah, I can do this, okay. Maybe a little bit. Maybe you can change the speed with a dot comma and change. So see, Beetroot Paul, I'm using a different keyboard. I can go sideways with a dot and comma, but it's just different. Like dot and comma is. Well, technically, the one I'm using right now is an English keyboard, so that would work. But also, I'm sometimes using an German keyboard, and I think in the presentation on Friday, I will be using a German keyboard, so that's not good. Well, what about this? No, dot. Dot just advances, but I cannot go back. Yeah, no. Okay, how about, because I don't like, oh, maybe, no. All right, so now this is SFX1, right? SFX1, yeah. So when we rotate, okay, this is not bad, and then this is also going to be. Okay, now what is the volume here? That's pretty good. So that's going to be maybe a little bit softer. So that's going to be SFX. Oh, and then of course length. So that's going to be SFX 0. We're moving things. Okay. Now, I think this needs to be a bit. Yeah, this is better. Okay, now I need to like a explosion sound. That's going to be a tough one because I really need to get into the instruments. So how do? Oh, look now. Weird. Now there is a. Previously there was no indicator here, but now there is one. Isn't that odd? So how do we do this? There was some kind of way. See, now they no longer exist. The labels disappeared. The labels where I can change this no longer there. Now they're there. There was some kind of trick. Ah, man, if I remember. Okay, but how about we use this noise? This is noise, right? Okay, the pitch actually doesn't change at all. It's just the pitch is the same. It doesn't accept the pitch. How do I make it so? Oh, you can give it names. That's cool. Bass. Just in my instrument noise. Does anybody know how do I pitch the explosion? How do I make the noise pitch? I can tune it. Oh, that sounds good. But I still cannot use it, right? I just want to play it. What? Oh wait, it does change now. That sounds good. I don't know. Doesn't behave like Pico 8. I hate that you have to delete the notes. That's so bad. Oof. It just feels so bad. Oh. I would love to be just able to work in this space. Oh. No. That's not good. So the question is like, should I try to work with envelope now? Nah, that doesn't seem to be doing the thing that I think it's doing. This is a very confusing editor. This doesn't have like this. It's a bit disappointing. It doesn't have like this. Can I do it on bend? It doesn't have like this. How we would call it. You cannot experiment with it. Like it doesn't lend itself for experimentation the way like you do stuff and it just doesn't do and you don't know why. And that's not how Pico 8 worked. Pico 8 was like you just did some stuff and it just played some music and it was good. Collisions is fine compared to that kind of stuff. Because collisions are always the same at the end. And this is like every time you use a different tool, it changes. So like whenever somebody creates a different synthesizer, you have to wrap your head around that. Man, I don't know what to do here. That noise stuff never made sense to me. Okay. How do I, why did the labels disappear again? Let's try different, maybe. Why do the labels are not there anymore? Does anybody have like some source for how to do like a nice explosion in Picotron? Like somebody already did this somehow maybe? Oh look! Oh, when you press space? Because it's kind of like still playing. That's so odd. Okay. See, okay. So the problem is now that I have this, it doesn't actually. Okay, so let's keep this. Let's add a mod. FM mod. I don't know what it does. It mods something. Okay, I'll dig it. But the problem is, that doesn't change anything. That also doesn't change anything. Yeah, but see, it doesn't change. And what if we turn this into noise, and then this is not going to be noise? Yeah, no, you cannot unnoise something. What if we make this? Yeah, you cannot modify this. Okay. So we need to take a waveform. Let's kill this. What? Why you no work? Okay. All right, and then mod, and then the mod is going to be, this is how much it affects it, right? It's weird that this is supposed to be like this should affect this, right? But I don't seem to have control over how this affects this. Does it get multiplied or added, or how? I guess this point here is this, right? It's added, multiplied. Okay. Tune doesn't affect anything. Oh, it does. I mean, we could just use this maybe. It's absolutely not what is this? Some kind of... Maybe something like this? Let's try that. See, now it has all these notes in here that I don't want. That doesn't sound like what I did. Why? Do I have to make the note longer? Yeah. No. Yeah, that's how it works. Oh man, but this is oh, now I created a new entry. Okay, I'm getting a hang of it. Yeah, that sounds good. I mean, I don't feel like I have control over this a lot, but okay, and maybe a little bit softer, and then we're gonna put the length at 1. And then maybe if we go into this, we can do an effect. There's no effect whatsoever. Wow, that just turns it off. Crazy. Is it because I need to add, where do I, is it, oh, what is wide? Whatever. No. Let's add effect to this. Do we have reverb? Oh, wow, that doesn't do anything. Okay, that's cool. Okay, I don't know what these do. Okay. Alright, this is good. Let's try this. So this is a sound effect 2. Like this. This is good. I probably want to remove the echo though. I don't like the echo after all. Yeah, that seems a lot better. Seems kind of cute. Oh, but man, this is making sounds here is so awkward. Maybe somebody will make like a Pico8 exporter or something. Yeah. Okay. Then now I need to create. Is it a good instrument? this didn't work. Wait. Yeah, it would be really great to just have some instruments, right? Just some instruments that just feel nice and you can just mess around with them. Or maybe just to explain what is happening. Okay, let's try this. Whoop. And then just add it here. It just doesn't work. I thought I could, but apparently I can't. Okay, so let's, how do I do? Okay, you just click it, okay. Wow, it just doesn't work anymore, huh? What did I do wrong? Oh. Okay. I want to do something like this. Okay, so this is sound effect 3. It's a bit chaotic. I have to clean it up a little bit. But the length is okay. Yeah, and also it's the 3 blinks that we have. So this is good. This might be actually cool. Let me tweak this a little bit. Let me make this now it would be really great to have like be able to just copy stuff. We can copy stuff, right? It's possible. So where are we? Oh man, it would be great. Okay, so this is this one. And then we're gonna paste it. This, all this stuff we get removed. Oh no, it only pastes the notes. Okay, I guess that makes sense. A little bit out of sync, but it's okay. I can live with out of sync. Good. And now we can maybe copy this. Can we duplicate this? We totally can. And can we now change it to a different... Oh no, wait. Because previously we could like change it to a different instrument. Can we change it to instrument 4? We can, like this. So we can now edit instrument 4 to change to be something else. So we can like tune this, for example, or change the wave. Spin sound came out well, right? Yeah, I think so too. So wait, so let's add the effect. Actually, let's add the echo here as well. What did I do it on here? I had it 3560. 3560. Let's try this. Yeah, that was good. I like the echo. Feels a little bit more epic. Man, with the sound effects, it feels so much better. Okay, there is a special sound effect when the Tetris happens, but it's like something like this, and I don't think I can replicate. Something like this. You found a nice lib of sounds on the BBS. Where is it? Show me the sounds of libs. Audio, I guess, right? And people do so amazing things with this. Yeah, you can post links here. It doesn't say anything. I don't hear anything. It's just like, oh, huh? So I guess I have to get it. But it's music, right? It's okay. Oh no. Lips of BBS. Yeah, it doesn't run directly in browser. Okay, so oh god, I downloaded it on the desktop now, and it's like, how do I get it in there? Can I just drag and drop it? Let's see if we can just drag and drop it on the desktop. Where is it? Almost. It put it in app data. Close enough. Okay. And so what if we run this now? End of every day. Okay. These are not bad. I like them. I don't know if there's the music I need is in there, but it's good to have. I will keep it on the desktop for sure. For now, I'm just trying to figure out whether I want to have a special sound effect for like a special. Usually it's like this. I mean, it does definitely sound more epic. Can we add another? That's just low pass. Wow, that just doesn't do anything, huh? Oh, Jesus. What kind of filter is this? Oh, that's just like low pass. Okay, so that's we went through all the filters now. Why is it sometimes stuttering like this? Can we? I was wondering. No, that doesn't sound good. Just keep it, whatever, just so we have a different sound effect. I'm not going to overthink this. Okay, so hashtag cleared equals 4 and 4 or 3. So let's get a Tetris. No, that's a bad, off to a bad start. Okay. It's not different enough, I think. I think I need to give this a thunk a little bit, but for now it's good. We have some sound effects. That's better than most. And then we need a game over sound as well. It needs to be something annoying. Something like this. And then the music. No. Yeah. Can we bend it a little bit? So see, now we're getting into it. Ooh. Huh? Okay. Yeah, sometimes you get and then echo, but an echo everything. Maybe a little bit too long. Just removing a little bit of the tail end. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. So that's gonna be game over. Game over. SFX. By the way, oh yeah, we can do a fat patterns. Okay, good. But still, so that's SFX 6. That's good. I need a lot of long pieces for this Tetris. It's not even going to be a Tetris. Oh no! Oh no! That's not what I wanted. Ah, I messed it up. Let's bring it back. Bring it back. Sing it back. Bring it back. Bring it back to me. It sounds a little bit too much like Pac-Man, maybe a little bit. But I don't hate it. It's fine. It's arcadey. It's not what I would maybe expect from a Picotron, but we're getting this is my very first Picotron sound effect. All right, don't add me. It felt awkward enough. I kind of want to maybe make it so that if I hold the button, it will auto trigger like the way you hold it down. Ah, I pressed the wrong button. I pressed up. I wanted to press down. Oh no, it's messed me up. It messed me up. Higher and higher. Mess me up, higher and higher. Never give up, never surrender. I hate it. We did it. It looked as if it almost died, but nah. Not us. I'm completely in Tetris hypnosis right now. Completely hypnotized. Biggie, 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 don't you see? Sometimes Tetris hypnotizes me. How is this game still going? I guess it doesn't get any faster, right? So if I screw up, it's my fault. Ah, for example, like this. No. What is this? Why is this so bad? Why does my heart feel so bad? I need the long piece, yes. Yeah, no, this feels good. Yes. Yeah, it's hard to stop. It's hard to stop playing it. But it's okay. I just want to give it a bit of a stress test to see if like the sound effects that I'm hearing, if they annoy me, and they don't. They're fine. Even the brup 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 is kind of nice. Even though it's a little bit of a harsh sound effect, but it works. Can I? Oh man, I hate this. I hate this. That was not what I wanted. Oh no. Oh no. I need another long piece. Yeah, and nice background music would be really nice. But again, maybe I will use one of the songs from that sample thing. I'm not sure what to do here. It's the music stuff is really something that still is quite difficult, but we got through it, so that's good. So we have sound. We don't have music. We do have next pieces. We need to do levels, and then music is going to be next time. Okay, and that's going to be it for today. That's going to be it for today. And next time around, we're gonna do. So people ask me about levels and like changing the pieces for the levels, but I don't think I want to change the actual pieces. What I want to actually do is maybe this blue stuff here, the blue background. Maybe I can use some kind of palette tricks to change up the blue background. Maybe draw something on top of that, and then that will change. And if that can change, then you can change, and everybody can change. All right. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. And I'm getting more and more better understanding of it. Still not really that happy with the sound editor, I think. Still a bit lost here. But things are clicking into place slowly, I think. Especially this was good. Like understanding the pod stuff and so forth, like using the pod stuff for the first time, actually. I think that was useful. So that really helped me a lot. Need to just like store. Let's not delete all of this stuff. Yeah, all right, guys. So thank you so much for joining me. I will try to do a stream tomorrow as well. I probably will continue doing streams every evening at roughly the same time. 9 o'clock German time is where I want to go. Today I was like half an hour later. Although I know that tomorrow is also going to be a hot day, so I'm not sure about that. But yeah, I think we're starting to wrap our head around this. It's possible that next episode is going to be next stream. We're going to wrap this all up. And then we can maybe try some other stuff. Again, thanks so much for joining me. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. This was a pleasure. And I hope you can see me next time as well. And now, to play you off, I will play a nice Zelda tune and I will show you a cat. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye, 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 bye.